Welcome to the unboxing of the Armory Messerschmitt 163 Komet in 1/44 scale. The Komet was a rocket-powered interceptor developed by Nazi Germany to encounter the massive bomber fleets of the Allied forces. I could fill a whole video talking about this fascinating aircraft, but for now I would recommend reading the accounts of the pilots who actually flew the Komet, like Manu Ziegler and Wolfgang Späte. The high speeds of up to 1000 km per hour made it difficult to aim, and the dangerous mixture of chemicals used as fuel often led to the ignition or explosion of the propellant, vaporizing the plane and pilot in an instant. Still, the Messerschmitt 163 was actually able to score a few kills, in contrast to most other late Luftwaffe projects. I already uploaded unboxings of 3 kits in 1/44 scale from Bren Gun, but this time I want to show you this kit from the Armory Models Group, a company based in the Ukraine. The box already shows us what to expect, but let's have a closer look on the contents. First up, the manual with an overview of the parts. You get parts for 2 aircraft, a towing tractor, and opened and closed canopies. The building process starts with the cockpit, where you have to scratch build the flight stick. The model consists of 2 halves and 2 parts for the tail section. After mounting the nose, you finish off by adding the gear dolly. Unfortunately, you can't extend the landing skid. On the next page we find the assembling instructions for the Scheuchschlepper, a special towing tractor designed for the Komet. And here on the last page we can see how that will look once finished. Next up, the painting guide. You get a total of 14 decal options to choose from, which is great. There are several interesting versions of the German Luftwaffe as well as a Soviet and British decal option. Now let's have a look on the decals. Despite their small size, they are nicely printed, and again, there are many options. Now to the parts. First up, the clear parts, which are packed separately. You get 4 canopies total, 2 closed and 2 opened. And here the sprue with the parts for the towing tractor. There is no flash and the details are sufficient for this small scale. The aircraft itself consists of about 10 parts. The panel lines are very nice, not as prominent as they were on those Bren Gun kits. The fixed landing skid is a letdown, but not a huge deal. The plastic seems to be on the thicker side, but overall the molding quality is very good. And here is a quick size comparison to the 1/44 Heinkel 162 I'm building at the moment. The Messerschmitt has a larger wingspan, but will be a bit shorter. Anyways, this seems to be a great kit with all the decal options, and I'm looking forward to building little dioramas with those 2 comets. If you want to see the progress on my other projects, subscribe and follow my Facebook and Instagram pages. Thanks for watching and bye!